Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Google Keep. So there's going to be a beginner's guide on how to use Google Keep. So first thing that we need to do here is just basically access the keep.google.com website. Now in this case, you'll need a Google account for this to work, so make sure that you're currently logged in into your Google account before accessing google.keep.com. Now in this case, what we need to do next is to start using Notes. Now, if you're not aware yet, Google Keep is a great way or great tool for you to basically keep track of things that you want to do. Like for example, if you're accessing your Google Drive or your email, you'll be able to access all of the notes in one location. So if you think of it as sticky notes that you can access anywhere. Now in this case, let's go ahead and create our notes. And so at the top section here, we have take notes. So in this case, we have our title. So for example, I want to say test here and just add a note. So this is test. Now you can also design your note here. We have background options. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be able to select your background. Now we also have the send reminder if you want to. We also have the option to add collaborators if you want to as well. Now from here, we also have the option to add images. So if you click on add image here, you'll be able to choose the image that you want to add in here. Like for example, we want to add this one, just click on open. And from here, we'll be able to add our image. Now in this case, let's go ahead and basically close this one. And from here, we'll be able to add that specific note. Now in this case, we have other options that we could do here. Now in this case, we also have the option to draw a note. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on new note with drawing, and from here we'll be able to draw on it. Now you could choose the type of drawing here. Like for example, we have the pen here, eraser, the other methods here. Like for example, we could even change the size itself, change the color if you want to. Like an example, I want to maybe say hi. Now from here, let's go ahead and apply this one. So let's go ahead and click on the back here. And as you can see, it's going to say hi. And from here, let's go ahead and add a title. Let's say hi and hi again. And from here, let's go ahead and hit on close. Now from here, we'll be able to add this one. Now we also have the other option here that says a new list. So in this case, we'll be adding a list to our notes. Now in this case, let's go ahead and say a list. And let's say item 1 here. And another item here, item 2. Now from here, once done, just hit on close again and you'll be able to add your items. Now in this case, how do we actually use our Google Keep here with other products or in Google applications? So in this case, let's go ahead and go to our mail.google.com here. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to access the right section here, and you should be able to see the Keep icon. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see all of the items here on your keep.google.com. And as you can see, we'll be able to readily access this one. Now in this case, you could go ahead and edit them as you would. And from there, you'll be able to use this one. Now in this case, if you're wondering if you could actually use this to other programs, like for example, you want to use this maybe in Google Drive. So let's go ahead and open this one. And from here, what we need to do is again access the keep icon here, and again you'll be able to access it again. So as an example, we have this Google Drive here. So at the right side, when you click on the keep button again, you'll be able to access all of your notes. So basically, Google Keep is a great tool for you to keep track of everything that you want to keep track. Maybe a list, a drawing, or just basically floating ideas that you want it visible at any time that you are using any Google products. But yeah, so this one is pretty simple and straightforward, and hopefully this would actually keep you productive or basically keep in touch or keeping track of all the things that you want to keep track for your tasks, projects, and whatnot. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.